मान लो आप एक अपार्टमेंट खरीदते हो और आप उस अपार्टमेंट में रहने जाते हो। फिर आपके साथ ऐसा होता है कि दैट अपार्टमेंट डज द मैजिक। वो अपार्टमेंट आपको उस अपार्टमेंट के 7 ईयर्स पास्ट में या 7 ईयर्स फ्यूचर में लेके जाता है। एंड उस टाइम पे आप उस अपार्टमेंट में रहने वाले पहले 7 साल पहले जो उस अपार्टमेंट में लोग रहते थे उनसे मिलते हो। एंड देन अगेन यू कम टू द प्रेजेंट, देन अगेन यू स्लिप टू द पास्ट, एंड हाउ विल यू फील? अगर मुझसे पूछो तो दैट इज सो मच एंड adventurous, and I just love the concept. I really want to go and I really want to buy such apartments. मुझे देखना है कि आखिर उस अपार्टमेंट के लोग कैसे रहते थे, क्या था, and many more things. I really 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 want to buy that apartment, but I know at the end this is all just a story and a fiction, nothing else. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I just love to talk about books. And today the book I'm talking about is The 7 Year Slip by Ashley Poston. And if you are new to my page, please consider subscribing. And if you have subscribed to my channel and you are listening to me, thank you very, very, very warm. Thank you to all of you. So, this book is about the concept where that apartment does the magic and the apartment lets you 7 years past or 7 years future. So let me read the blurb for you guys. 6 months ago, Clementine West, the female protagonist, had the worst day of her life. So she come up with a plan to keep her heart safe, stay busy, work hard, take no risk. And it's been working. That is until one day she finds a strange man standing in her kitchen, a man with kind eyes, a crooked smile, and a recipe for the perfect lemon meringue pie. I hope I am pronouncing it right. The kind of man that before everything she could have fallen for. He is perfect, but for one thing, he lives in the past. 7 years ago, to be exact. This should be impossible, but Clementine used to love impossible things, and maybe, just maybe, she will again. So, मैंने इस बुक को इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉपुलर होते हुए देखा था, एंड पता नहीं मुझे क्यों इसका क्रेज़ चढ़ गया, एंड आई रियली वांट टू रीड दिस बुक. तो मैंने इसको ख़रीद लिया, एंड विदाउट एनी क्लू कि ये कौन सा जॉनर है, विदाउट एनी क्लू कि आखिर बुक किस बारे में है, क्या है इसका कॉन्सेप्ट, एनी थिंग, विदाउट, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था इस बुक के बारे में. एंड आई स्टार्टेड दिस बुक. वेल, शुरू शुरू में तो मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही थी कि भाई इस बुक के बारे में मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है, मैं क्यों पढ़ रही हूँ, वगैरह वगैरह. कहते हैं ना कि अननोन चीज़ों की भी अपनी ही एक कहानी होती है. येस, दैट्स व्हाट इट इज़ फॉर मी. वेल, अभी एक रिसेंटली स्मृति, आई गेस, बिब्लो हाफ ब्लड बिब्लोफाइल ऐसा करके जो यूट्यूबर हैं, उन्होंने अपने यूट्यूब पे अभी रिसेंट में वीडियो पोस्ट किया है कि उनकी फेवरेट रोमांस फिक्शन बुक्स कौन सी है. उनमें से ये एक बुक थी, एंड आई वॉच दैट वीडियो एंड आई इवन कमेंटेड ऑन दैट वीडियो कि भाई आई एम 64 पेजेस इन टू द बुक. एंड yes, at that time I was 64 pages in and I just loved the book. भाई जब मैं 20 पेजेस पढ़ के इस बुक में थी, जब 20 पेजेस पढ़ा, I was so confused कि आखिर हो क्या रहा है इसमें. And the couple between Drew and Fiona, I was so confused, but later I got the concept. जब मैं 50 पेजेस पढ़ी, then I really got कि आखिर ये concept क्या है. And I just started loving the concept. I just love the concept. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि मैंने 100 पेजेस पढ़ा, फिर the intimacy between them, the protagonist, I just love that. इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा इंटेंस है नहीं, थोड़ा सा है बस. और आई जस्ट लव दिस बुक. द कॉन्सेप्ट, द plot twist, everything I love. And the thing I love about this book is how every little detail is connected to each other. Like, I think this is gonna be my favorite trope where everything connects to each other. Everything, even a slightest moment you cannot even consider it important, it will connect to everything. And yes, this book does it. So I'm very 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 happy. I'm very very excited for this book, and honestly, this book has my heart. And without any drama, without anything, this book straight goes to my favorite book list. Yes, I'm gonna recommend it forever for all the people reading out there. If you want a romance fiction book which doesn't have so much smut, this book is for you. This doesn't have any type of smut, especially, I will tell you. And I just love the plot twist. I just loved everything about this book. By the end of this book, I learned one special thing about from this book at the end, and that was that everything changes with time. Yes, everything changes. not everything changes is good for you, not everything changes is bad for you, but make sure that the change you make should be very good for you, very happy for you, and the change is according to your happiness, nothing else. So yes, I just love this book. I will recommend this book to whoever want to read and start reading romance fiction, because this is my third book reading romance fiction. Yes, this is my third book ever I am reading as a romance fiction, and I'm so glad that I did, and I'm so happy that I love this book, and this book totally justified itself and its popularity. So I'm loving this book and I'm recommending it to you all. Well, this is the first book I read in February, and let's see how many books I am gonna read, because now I'm thinking to take a break from reading novels and focusing on my exams more. So I don't know, I don't have any idea that what I'm gonna read next, or should I take a break or what, because it all depends on my mind and I'm gonna do that. So thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you so much for subscribing me, and thank you for watching.